Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Valorant error code val43. There was an error connecting to the platform. Please restart your game client. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Just need to click on open it and type here percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Find the Valorant folder, just double click on it. Double click on the saved folder. Now delete everything inside this folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting it, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to find VGC service, double click on it, startup type set to automatic and select apply and start the service and select OK and just to close stuff here and now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, go to search menu and type CMD, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands, just to copy and paste it on way one. After finishing both the commands, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.